Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 10, Unit 15, Human Nervous and Glandular System. Topics: Nervous system, Central nervous system, brain, spinal cord, neuron, ganglia, autonomic nervous system, glandular system, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, gonad. Nervous system. The system which consists the organs like brain, spinal cord, nerves, and neurons, and their functions is called nervous system. Nervous system is divided into three parts: central, peripheral, autonomic. Central nervous system, CNS. The nervous system which consists brain and spinal cord is called central nervous system. Brain, brain is the largest and important part of central nervous system. It is situated inside cranium. Brain is covered with three membranes called meninges. Meninges are dura mater, pia mater, and arachnoid. Dura mater is outermost layer. Pia mater is innermost layer. Arachnoid is the layer between them. The fluid is filled in between pia mater and arachnoid is called cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid protects brain from mechanical injury and electric shock. Brain is divided into three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Cerebrum. It is the largest part of brain. It is made with gray matter and white matter. It helps on smelling, hearing, and decision making. It helps on thinking and interpretation actions. It helps on memory and creative works. It controls other parts of brain. The injury in this part results to coma in human. Cerebellum. It is the small brain located below cerebrum. It is made with gray matter and white matter. It balances the body. It controls voluntary muscles during running, typing, and talking. A person cannot balance himself after drinking alcohol because alcohol affects the cerebellum. Medulla oblongata. It is the lowermost part of the brain. It is made with gray matter and white matter. It controls on vomiting and swallowing actions. It conducts respiration. It helps on contraction and relaxation of blood vessels. It controls on secretion of hormones and enzymes. The injury in this part results to death of a person. Spinal cord. It is extended from the base of medulla oblongata. It is made with gray matter and white matter. It controls the reflex action. It sends impulse from body to brain and brain to body. Spinal cord injury causes paralysis. Neuron. A nerve cell is called neuron. Neuron has axon and dendrites. Dendrite is short branches of neuron. Dendrite is responsible for receiving nerve impulse. Axon is long branch of neuron. Axon is responsible for sending nerve impulse to another neuron. Neurons combines to form nerves. Efferent nerve. The nerve which carry impulse from sense organ to brain is called efferent nerve. It is also called sensory nerve. Efferent nerve. The nerve which carry impulse from brain to different organs is called efferent nerve. It is also called motor nerve. Interneuron. The nerve which converts sensory stimulus to motor stimulus is called interneuron. Ganglia. The group of small neuron which is made with gray matter is called ganglia. They work in contact with spinal cord or brain. Reflex action. The fast and automatic response to the stimulus conducted by spinal cord is called reflex action. Example: pulling hand after touching hot object. Peripheral nervous system (PNS). The nerve arising from brain or spinal cord is called peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists cranial nerve tissue, spinal nerve tissue. Cranial nerve tissue. The nerve which arises from brain to brain is called cranial nerve tissue. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Spinal nerve tissue. The nerve which arises from spinal cord is called spinal nerve tissue. It conveys information from body to spinal cord and spinal cord to body. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Autonomic nervous system ANS. The nervous system which is responsible for automatic action of involuntary muscle, gland and organ is called autonomic nervous system. It is of two types: sympathetic, parasympathetic. Sympathetic nervous system. The nervous system which increases heartbeat, blood pressure, blood flow to brain at emergency is called sympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system. The nervous system which brings the rate of heartbeat, blood pressure at normal condition is called parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic and parasympathetic are opposite in action to adjust and maintain the body. Glandular system. Glands are of two types: exocrine gland, endocrine gland. Exocrine gland. Exocrine gland is gland with duct. It produces enzymes. The enzyme produced helps on digestive system. Example: salivary gland, gastric gland. Endocrine gland. Endocrine gland is gland without duct. It produces hormone. Example: pituitary gland, thyroid gland. Hormone is called chemical messenger because it stimulates the function of cell and glands of the body. Pituitary gland. It is pea-sized endocrine gland. It produces stimulating hormone SH and growth hormone GH. It is also called master gland because it controls and coordinates the function of other glands. Hypersecretion of growth hormone causes gigantism. Hyposecretion of growth hormone causes dwarfism. Thyroid gland. It is endocrine gland situated in neck. It produces thyroxine. Due to deficiency of iodine, thyroid gland swells, called goiter. Hyposecretion of thyroxine retard mental and physical growth. Hypersecretion of thyroxine increases metabolism and pulse rate. Parathyroid gland. It is found behind thyroid gland. It produces parathyroid hormone. It balances the calcium in blood and bones. Its hypersecretion causes kidney stone. Its hyposecretion causes tetany. Tetany means twitching of muscles. Adrenal gland. It is located on the top of each kidney. It produces adrenaline. It is called emergency gland because it prepares body to face emergency condition. Its hypersecretion causes hypertension. Its hyposecretion causes weakness and low blood pressure. Pancreas. It is found in loop of duodenum. It is called heterocrine gland because it produces both hormone and enzyme. It produces insulin and glucagon. Insulin balances blood sugar level. Hyposecretion of insulin causes diabetes. Diabetes means high blood sugar level due to hyposecretion of insulin hormone. Gonad. Testis in male and ovary in female is called gonad. Gonad is heterocrine gland. Testis produces sperm and testosterone hormone. Ovary produces estrogen and progesterone hormone.